How to find large files in OneDrive. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to find large files on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application, just like this. After that, tap onto Files at the top, right here, select it. Then here you can find My Files, tap on it. Now to find the large files from here, simply tap on to Name right here, tap on it. Then here you can find the file size right here, select it. Then again tap on it once again. Then here you can find largest to smallest. Now simply choose this, just like this. And now the OneDrive will show the large files at the first and the smallest at the last. And that's it. This is how you can find large files in OneDrive. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.